In primetime news this evening, I will do it again. The story of a Jamaican woman who is determined to get to the United States by any means necessary.
A debate intensifying on the inclusion of Canadian Professor Richard Albert on the Constitutional Reform Committee.
And relief coming for Woodsville residents after bridge collapse. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, it's Wednesday, so it's all about the gas price. And guess what? You probably want to go to the gas station right after primetime news because gas prices are going up. I'll give you the details a little later on.
A word to the wise from Javon there. From Javon, we go to Jeremy Brown. He's here to tell us what's coming in sports. Jeremy?
Thank you, Herman. Speaking of word to the wise, football's world governing body FIFA has stepped in to assist the JFF with their financial struggles. We'll tell you how a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What can be done to prevent persons seeking asylum in the United States from taking dangerous routes to get there?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.